For people just submitting claims during promotions, you're probably missing out on quite a bit of money through the rest of the year.
You can claim all year round on any roof window. There can be flat roof windows, pivot windows, cabrios, anything.
It's really good when we get an electric window because obviously that bumps up the little reward a little bit further.
We claim on just about everything, to be honest. We've got centre pivot windows, top hung, and quite a few flat windows with the curved glass. You get quite good rewards with them, so they certainly add up on your account.
My family has benefited greatly from the awards. I've bought lots of things for the house, which the wife's happy about.
I'm going to Paul Weller at the castle, and courtesy of Felix.
We mainly claim from Argos.
We've claimed a couple of times with PC World and Argos. I bought a couple of iPads, which was quite good, so that was a nice little treat.
Our favourite brand partners are Marks & Spencer's.
We did a complete food shop with Marks & Spencer's and sat down Christmas Day and raised a glass to Valak. Said thanks very much.
Well, if you're only claiming during the promotion, I think you're missing out because everything we buy, we try and claim for it. And again, generally there's always maybe just £10 or sometimes it's £40, so it's definitely worth claiming all year. And I say it certainly adds into your account over the time.